Alright, we'll call this product review. It's an old Forney welder. Made in Fort Collins, Colorado and Des Moines, Iowa. All back in the, probably in the 50s, maybe 40s. Oh, goes from 5 amps to 250 amps. And, I bought it years ago for about $20. I was going to junk it, and then I found out it worked. So I decided to keep it. I've used it a lot. And, everybody talks about fit and finish. Well, fit, it fits right there in that spot where it's at. And the finish, well, it's got patina. Rusted out aluminum. Look at them cable connections. Got more tape. But it works. And switch even works here sometimes. Hey, it worked that time. I've used it 2 or 3 times this week. Must be getting limbered up. Alright, anyhow. Welding rod size. Okay. I see I was using 1/8 inch. I was about the right place. Said you can use a 3/16 down there at 250 amps. I never run 250 amps on this. 115 and 125 is the only thing I ever used. And here's a thing I think might have come with it. It says there's soldering, high and low, and ground. Here's a soldering iron. Well, there's a soldering iron. It's got a couple of plug-ins like welders and a clamp there. I don't know what it is. I'm going to have to find something on it, see what it is. Never figured out how to run that thing yet. Anyhow, that's about the end of it. Well, I've used a carbon arc torch some. I was hunting for it to see whether anybody else knows how to use one. Anyhow, these younger fellas, I'm sure some old guys have probably used them before. There's a cable off of some old welder. Alright, that's all for now. Alright. I played around with this welder the other day to fix that thing. And, I'll sit down. I seen, guys on the internet, my buddy Chucky, says you're supposed to weld and make like a row of dimes. I know, I never went to no welding school or anything, so I never heard of making dimes, but I'm going to try it. See if I can mess it all up. Yeah. Well, a few dimes and pennies and some quarters and about 40 cents worth there. About 30 cents there. Hardly got some pennies there. Yeah, let's turn around. Try the other side a little bit. Let's see what we got. That might work. Go over it a couple more times. That must be why I was about 20 years old. I worked in a welding factory for 30 days. I guess they said they didn't need me that bad after 30 days, but it was hard to work 12 hours welding, drive 60 miles, and do the milking twice a day. I think I didn't mind not getting the job after 30 days. I had enough of it. All right, let's try a little bit more. Put something on top. Well, I'd never make it as a pipeline welder, but I can fasten my trucks and trailers together to hold jump car machinery. Alright, that's enough for now. We'll shut it off and whatever.